I have the spoilers for the August 2023 Ipsy Glam. I was inspired by the beauty of nature, says designer Joanne Wong. Sometimes life gets very busy and it's good to find some slow time with nature to rewind and set your ritual routines. I wanted to create a bag that reminds me of the beauty of nature and also a bag that I would bring with me for the outdoor summer activities. Your August Glam bag design has a geometric pattern of squares and triangles reminiscent of mountainous landscapes, picnic tablecloths, even folding camping chairs. It's all topped off with a matching green nylon zipper lining and a tassel zipper puller inspired by grass, says Wong. The bag is made out of cotton canvas, so it's very lightweight and could easily fit inside your backpack or belt bag without adding too much weight. When you go outdoors, spend the time with nature, says Wong. What I love the most about the Glam bag design is the color combination of the green and pink for the nature and summer vibe, says Wong. The greens represent nature like mountains and grass, while the Ipsy Glam bag print of the pink adds more fun to the bag. Some of the items that you might receive are the Core Centoni Grape Poreless Skin Cream, Dew of the Gods Ultrasonic Watermelon Extract Facial Toner, Ciate London Wonder Wand Lipstick in Wonderlust, Give Them Lala Beauty Brow Gel in Clear, the Beauty Crop Pore Filter Pore Blurring Pressed Powder, and Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. Now, I do have a code in the description box down below for Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. The code is just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. I hope that you guys are having a beautiful day. I will see you soon. Bye.